back to my channel. Hope you're doing well. So in today's video, if you have not guessed by the title of this video, I'm going to be showing you how I trim my hair. Now, I have not trimmed my hair since like last year, and we are 7 months into the year, and I'm pretty sure by the time that you watch this video, well past, it's going to be like 9 months into the year. So I kind of know that my hair needs kind of a massive trim, and I'm not really like intimidated by that. I am kind of tired of the color of my hair, and that's normally where all the damage is. So if I have to like trim off quite a substantial amount of it, it's cool. I'm always about health over length anyway. So let's just get into this video. Currently my hair is stretched. If you've watched my previous video, you'll know that I undid the stretch style that I had, and then I separated my hair into 4 sections, and then I banded it. So I'll just show you that now. So yeah, let's just get started. Here are the products that you'll need for this video. Amla oil, but you can use whatever oil of your choice. A fine tooth comb, a large paddle brush, a hair clip to help section off your hair. This is optional, but you can also use a hair drying brush. You can also use hair ties for larger sections of hair. And lastly, hair cutting scissors, which are the star of the show. These I got from Clicks. Now that you know the products, let me just show you my hair. Don't judge. So my hair's been in the stretch state since Saturday, and today is Tuesday. So I already showed you all the tools that I'll be using today, but I am trying out a new tool today. I got this almost, I want to say 2 years ago. My brother actually got this for me for Christmas, and I've never used it before. And then all of a sudden on YouTube, this kind of brush started blowing up. So this is a hair straightening brush basically. So it's kind of like you're able to blow dry and comb your hair at the same time. The maximum heat that it can go on to is 230. I don't know if you guys can see that. So I'm just gonna see if my hair needs this brush through. If it doesn't, then I'll just switch it off, and then we'll just continue with the rest of the video. So let me undo this hair. So okay, normally when I twist my hair, it's normally when it's in a bit of a twist out kind of situation, like a fresh twist out, right? And then I just trim the ends of each of the twists. But I have been meaning to trim my hair into a form of like a shape, but obviously I'll show you what my hair looked like before. Hey guys, so honestly in this clip my hair doesn't look that bad, but the bleached ends were just really annoying. But in the next clip you'll see me use the blow dryer brush. This is not a tutorial for that brush, but I just run it a few times just to see what it looks like on my hair. All in all, I do think the brush does a really good job at like making my hair a lot straighter and more manageable. Not that I wasn't happy with how it was before, which I will mention in the video in a few clips coming forward. But I do think this brush is good for people who are starting on wet hair, because 230 degrees on dry hair doesn't really do that much. That's why I'm just going to use it to smooth my hair instead. Okay, hey guys, so I'm back. My hair is properly combed out. I used this for a little bit. I don't know if you can see the hairs in there. I still use it on 230. I think it's a pretty good brush, and it got my hair a little bit straighter. Although I was already happy with the state of my hair, I just like the fact that I could get it a lot straighter using this brush, so I like that. So those are my thoughts. I really like this brush. It actually did what it's supposed to do. It smoothed my hair out. Feels a lot smoother. I will insert some pictures of my hair that I just took now, just to show you the shape before. The shape is not that bad. I just wanted a little bit more crispy cut, so that's what we're gonna do today. I'm not gonna talk the whole video, it's just gonna take too much time. And this is just you're just supposed to watch me trim my hair, and I will talk to you guys in the voiceover. You want to work in small sections, working from the back of your head to the front. You can just see me combing it here, and then I use the brush. In the next clip, you see me change my shirt because I was not actually able to see my hair on my dark blue shirt. But anyways, so I'm just gonna comb my hair out with the various different combs. So the reason being for me working from my big combs to my small combs is because the bigger combs allow me to actually detangle my hair thoroughly, whereas the smallest comb is actually just there to help me feel the state of my ends. So after checking that both sides are even length, what I do is I pull my hair to the back and I use my 2 fingers to drag my hair down my back and I trim it. This just ensures that at the back that it's all one straight length, and then I continue the process going forward. It's important that when you have a new section and it's thoroughly detangled to measure it up with your previously cut section. This just ensures that everything is even and smooth and to avoid unnecessary mistakes and layers. Once you've cut the entire new section and you've measured it up, you can then just combine your old section and your new section and cut it together, just to ensure that there's no pieces sticking out and that nothing bad has been left behind. So once I've cut everything, all I do is I just put my hair to the back and you can see that it's even and straight, so that lets me know that I'm doing the right thing, so I keep on going. Hey guys, so now I'm at the top of my hair, nearing the last section. I just did this side, so I'm gonna have to do the same thing on this side, and I just wanted to show you what I've been doing. But my hair is freshly trimmed. This is what it's looking like so far. Let me that. So same thing, just gonna brush through, doing the same thing I've been doing. So just dragging it all the way down, and this is about how much I'm gonna trim. All of this is just dead, so I'm gonna trim it, but I'm gonna leave some excess so that when I measure it up with another section, like a previously cut section, I'm not like over cutting. So now I can take any section really, since I've trimmed my whole head. So I'm just taking a section here, and then I'm gonna comb those two together. It's actually a pretty simple process once you know what you're doing. And then comb it down like you've been doing. Trim it down close to your face. If that's what you've been doing, follow the same thing. I can still feel a bit of resistance on some of the sections. So again, just gonna take the fine-tooth comb and really go through it. And now I can see around here. Can you see? This is all that has to go. So I'm just gonna take my scissors and trim it off. Just like that. Then again, comb it out. Take it to the side as well. Since my top hairs are longer, so I'm gonna take it up as well slightly, so I can really see how much I need to trim off, because there's still some unhealthy ends. Still maintaining the shape, just removing what's actually damaged, because you see I'm not changing the straightness of the line. What this does is it makes sure that the top layers or the top length of hair that's longer than the bottom is getting actually cut. And then for extra caution or precaution, just gonna take a bigger section and measure it all together, but immediately I can feel just healthier hair. Same thing here. Comb it down. Since I'm cutting my hair into a round shape, I'm just making sure that the ponytail also reflects the shape, which you can see here, that my ponytail looks nice and round and full, and that's the look that I was going for, which lets me know that I didn't do the wrong thing. Hey guys, so I'm back and my hair is officially done. I love the shape now. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's more like this, which is what I've always wanted. So I'm so happy, and it just feels so good to run my hands through. Yeah, I'm just really pleased, and I'm really chuffed that I was able to do this. I think it's pretty safe to say that the color is like all gone now, because I'm seeing a lot of it on my table. So let me show you how much I actually trimmed off. This is how much hair I have cut off today. If you're interested to see how I plan to grow my hair and how I'm gonna style it after this, then stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna end the video here, and I'll see you next week. Bye guys.